What's up, guys? So it started like this.
We're following a developing story in Johannesburg where the PKTT, supported by other law enforcement units, is currently conducting a search and seizure operation at a high-end apartment block in Houghton. It's understood that Major General Feroz Khan from Crime Intelligence resides in this building, although sources say he was not present at the property during the search. The operation reportedly began just after 6 a.m.
Okay, guys, this is Mr. Khan. Okay, Major General Khan with his fancy lifestyle. You can see the house, you can see the cars. I assume it's only Ferraris that I see. What do you think you see? Yo, but bear in mind, this is a public servant. SAPS Major General owning such a luxurious car or fleet. How can you do that on your own salary? Because, guys, you know me, Durban Online Podcast, we like to expose these people. But, okay, let me just do this because it didn't end up like this. It ended up like this. Apparently, General Khan was arrested, okay, because of the crimes that I'm about to expose. And you guys are in for a treat because stick around because I got more information about his political allies. But firstly, let's start with the crimes that he committed. Let's dive right into it. Let me just not waste your time. While you do that, please subscribe. Hey, subscribe, like, and share, and make sure you leave the comments. So here are the crimes, guys. Got General Khan. All right. Songa Samaz Gutubani General Khan. He is the man charged with misconduct. He also was accused of demanding 2.5 billion from Kat Matlala for covering up a murder. Okay? This is a major general. This is an SAPS top dog. He is also accused of interfering with a legitimate Gauteng truck bust of cocaine worth 700 million rand seized. I think what he does, whatever there is a seizure, he's there to pick and sell it to the maybe highest bidder. I don't know, but it feels like he must be there, so that he can take the consignments and give it to whoever or sell them. I don't know. I'm not saying he's a drug dealer allegedly, but these are the crime. It's on the public domain. Okay. He apparently meddled with police officers involved in this matter and was accused of trying to steal the same drugs. That's what I was saying. The nigga was stealing the drugs so he can sell it to the highest bidder. Oh, he's whoever gang, whatever uh, thugs he's committed with. All right. He is also accused of interfering, of protecting politicians by delaying their vetting, therefore international, intentionally delaying results to their police clearance. Okay, that is an obstruction of law. I don't know how to put it. You guys can put it. This is my first time doing this in this way, so bear with me. But guys, you are watching Deppin Online Podcast DOP. The situation is getting very very weird. Everybody is getting arrested. But before I ask you something, I would like to share with you some of his friends, these political or politicians, probably who will delay anything concerning whatever. Gabo. Let's start with this guy, Becky Cele. As you can see, General Khan and Becky Cele. Becky Cele is also an SAPS top dog, and he's involved in many, many, many crime activities. I don't I like I'm not shocked if I see them together. This means they've been doing these things under our nose for a long, long time. We are so stupid enough not to see this only now because General Mkwanazi on the 6th of July said something on the press conference that shook the whole SA. In fact, the whole SAPS is corrupt. These two only. That's corruption on the like like for real. Okay, guess who is next? If I show you this guy, guys, I'm gonna show you this guy, and then after I show this guy, I'm gonna end up the show, and then you know what to do, guys. You're gonna have to meet me in the comment section because I won't have time. Because this guy has been talking a lot, praising foreigners. Nah, I'm giving it away now. I'm talking about the CSI Julius Malema. Apparently, CSI Julius Malema, almost each and every crime boss, he is in contact with, or he knows them, or he's been around those people. I'm talking about Ket Matala. I'm talking about General Khan, as you can see. I'm talking about these funding courses. I'm talking about General Sibia. Almost each and every accused SAP as top corruption members. He's been around. And now he's going around telling South Africans that they must stop this xenophobic attacks to the foreigners because they are our brothers. Maybe I'm just allegedly, maybe Umalema is involved in crime, in drug trafficking, but his main post is the border post. So he's the one who's supposed to be clearing the borders for the trucks to flow into South Africa. Hmm? That's just my thoughts. I'm not saying he does that, but it's just my thoughts. What's your thoughts, KZN? Do you really think we're gonna get to the bottom of this thing? Because next up, what I'm gonna talk about is the president. Are you ready? So, guys, thank you so much for watching and making sure you make this show the number one show in KZN. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and like. And thank you so much for those who have already done that. So, peace, and I'm out. Mare South Africa. In English.